Hi all, welcome to our channel. This is the right place to improve your spoken Tamil. Here I am going to teach you only the casual words which are more powerful than the formal words. Formal Tamil will not help you to communicate people in real life. So I am going to teach you only the casual words, not the formal one. Please note it once again. I am not going to teach you formal Tamil. Here is the first chapter. We are going to discuss about pronouns. Noun. The first word is noun. Noun means in Tamil we say பெயர். Noun means பெயர். In English we have many types of nouns, but in Tamil we have a very few general format. That only we are going to discuss. Noun means பெயர். Okay. Here the pronouns I. The meaning of the word I is na. Non is the formal word. The casual one is na. And you means ni. That means you are pointing the opposite person. If the person is younger than you or your friend or very close relative, then it is okay, ni. But if they are elder, or if you want to maintain the distance or to show the respect, then we have to say நீங்க. Ni for younger and நீங்க for elder. Next word, they. They means a group of people are there. If they are away from you, this is you and here the people are there, then you can say அவங்க. அவங்க. And you are here and the people are with you only. That time you can say இவங்க. It is E sound, but I am writing with IV. இவங்க. It is E sound. If they are away from you, அவங்க. If they are closing, இவங்க. And the next word is we. We also having two meanings here. One is நாம. Another one is நாங்க. Why நாம and நாங்க? Now in a place a group of people are there and you all are discussing about a thing in the group itself. Okay, for an example, a boy or girl, they are asking their parents, okay, let's go for the dinner out today. That means நாம வெளியில போலாம். நாம means the discussion is still going in the group itself. After deciding a thing, a person from the group is sharing the message to a person who is not in the group. That time it is நாங்க. We are going out. நாங்க வெளியில போறோம். That means you are passing a message to another person. When you are discussing in the group, that is நாம. Outside the group, it is நாங்க. And the next word, she. She is அவள். It is actually அவள். L silent. We say our. This is only for the small kids we can use. Otherwise, generally, this is very good to say அவங்க. அவங்க means with respect. He is அவன். Yensa அவன். அவன். Or with respect we can say our, or we can say அவங்க also. So wherever that NGA sound comes, even you can see in they also NGA sound, here also NGA. This NGA sound not only for plural, also for respect. Please note it. The word which is ending with NGA sound, either it gives plural meaning or it gives respect. It means இது or அது. Why இது or அது? இது means the dog, it is my dog. If you are pointing a dog just next to you, then you can say இது. And you are here and your dog is there, then you can say அது என்னோட நாய். Dog means நாய். அது. If the dog is away, you can say அது. If the dog is just next to you, then you can say இது. And the next word, this. This is similar to that only. Either we can use idu or we can use inda. When you read, when you practice a sentence, that time only you will understand the difference between these words. Now you can note down the meaning of the word idu or inda. That, adu, again away from you, adu, or anda. Next, these, it is plural format. We are using this one for birds, things, okay, not for human. So these we can use adunga, adunga. For an example, these are my cows, adunga எல்லாம் என்னோட மாடு, அதுங்க. Or these are my books. Sorry, these means idu, not adu, idu. These, idunga ella ye maadu. That means these are means you are pointing just next to you. Idunga, these are my books. Idella ennoda books. Those are trees. Adella marom. Adellam or adunga. Adunga. Okay, those are my cats. அதுங்கெல்லா என்னோட பூனைங்க. Those are trees. அதெல்லாம் மரம். So these means இதுங்க or இதெல்லாம். Those means அதுங்க or அதெல்லாம். Initially it is little bit hard and difficult to remember these words. Please memorize these words when you are making the sentence. That time it will help you a lot. And we are following the books. In the first book we are having 25 chapter. This is the first chapter. Please join with us. Every day we will post a new video, new lesson. And the next lesson we are going to discuss about oblique pronoun. When you are learning this, you must have a clear view of pronoun format first. Thanks for watching this. Stay with us. Thank you.